In this video, we will see how to download and install Oracle 19c on Windows operating system. So in my case, my operating system is Windows 11 Home Edition. So let's start. So first we will see how to download Oracle 19c. Okay, so just type on Google download Oracle 19c for Windows. So it will open this Oracle download page, and here you can see Oracle database 19c for Microsoft Windows x64-bit. Once you click on it, it will ask for license agreement and it will ask you for the login. So make sure you have your account on Oracle. If you don't have, you can create your account from here. It is free of cost. Once you log in, it will automatically start downloading. Okay, so this is the simplest process for downloading Oracle database software. So let's close it. Once download is complete, it will comes in download folder. So make sure you from download folder you can't run the installer. Okay, so make sure you just in any drive you create a folder db_home. Okay, in any drive, might be C drive, D drive. In that folder you need to keep that downloaded zip file. For example, I kept this Windows, see this is my zip file, right? And I kept this in D drive db_home folder, and you need to extract that zip file inside that db_home folder. So here I already extracted to save the time. Okay, so let me open it, extracted file. Once you scroll down, if you see, this is the setup icon, right? Setup.exe. Right click on it. You need to run this setup using run as administrator. You must have administrator permission to run this. See, if you see the small icon, it will also saying the same. So right click and run as administrator. Okay, once you do that, it will ask you to confirmation. Yes. Now let me close this and let's see how our installer will work. So the installer is starting, and it is GUI based only. Okay, so we will follow the steps as per our requirement, and we will try to install the Oracle database software. See, now let me minimize this and I will focus on it. Let me just little bit increase the size of this screen so you have clear idea, right? I hope it is clearly visible now. Let me little bit or increase this size. Okay, fine. Now if you see first option, it is asking select any of the following install option: create and configure single database or install software only. This option create a starter database. Okay, so what we will do, we will go with this default one. Okay, click on next. What kind of class is it? Desktop class or server class? Server class mostly work on Windows Server, or when you work in organization, so it is desktop class only. So I will go with the default. Next, and here for enhanced security you may choose to run Windows services from Oracle Home with non-administrator account. Oracle recommend that you use virtual account or the standard Windows user account for this purpose. So what you will do, use existing user account, create a new Windows account, or maybe use Windows. So leave it as it is. Okay, so maybe you can also create, or you can create a new user, create a new Windows user, but you already have, so you can use virtual account as well. So go with default. As per requirement, you can select these options. Now see, Oracle base location is at d/db_home. Inside this we have a Oracle base location, and database file location is d drive db_home hora data. This is the global database name orcl. Okay, password we will put it here, for example any password. Any password for now you can post. Okay, and pluggable database name, create a container database. So this is a pluggable database. I will if you want to create a pluggable database, that is for fine, otherwise you can deselect this. Okay, so let it be default setting or Oracle PDB. Okay, or maybe you can uncheck this. Okay, select this checkbox to create a container database, but I don't want to create any container database. Okay, next, currently available memory is less than required available memory, that is 3190, more than less than 4 GB for creating the. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, let it be. This is a information kind of things. So let me go with this, and it will take some time. Okay, it will create that, and it will finish the process. Let's see how it will work. So see, this is the detail summary. Oracle Home. These are the whatever we have selected till now. It will showing that detail, so that is fine. Now install. It will install now, and it will take some time. So we will wait for that. Now see, it is almost complete, and in few seconds it will highlight this. The Oracle configuration of Oracle database was successful. Okay, and this is your OEM location, OEM URL, so we can use that. Okay, but let me close this. Okay, so our database software is already installed now, and we will see it is installed or not. So for that we will open the command prompt, and here we will type the SQL Plus -v. That means we are trying to check the SQL Plus version. So you see SQL Plus version is 19.33. That means Oracle software is already installed. Now for the connection string, what we need to type TNS ping ORCL. This is the default SID Oracle database we have created, right? So this is the connection string for your Oracle database. So you can use this connection string for setting up your in SQL Developer or anywhere where you want to install. We need a host name, okay, and we need a service name, and that's it. Okay, now what we will do, we will try to connect to this software. So SQL Plus SysDB. See, we have connected to the database, right? And let me show you your sys, right? Select name from the $database ORCL, right? So this is all about how you can install your Oracle database on Windows operating system. So now we already installed Oracle database software in our laptop, and now we will use this connection string to connect the database using SQL Developer. So for SQL Developer, I'm not going to install any SQL Developer software separately. For that, I already installed extension in VS Code editor. So I will try to access from that. If you don't know how to download and install and use VS Code, SQL Developer extension in VS Code, then you can check out this video. And in that I already explained everything. But for now, on this basis, we will try to connect our database. So for that, let me open VS Code. Okay. And here in this section, this is the extension section. So here you can see I already have that extension for SQL Developer, and it will automatically come here after a few seconds. Okay, here only currently it is initializing. Okay, so let's wait for some time. See, once you have SQL Developer extension, you will get the icon like this. So when you click on it, and here you see the connection string for this database. So my SID was Oracle. You can give any name, and authentication type default, and role is default. Okay, and my username is w3buddy. I created in the database, and for that I put my password. Okay, and here connection type you can select basic. Host name, see, in our connection string everything is given. So host name is localhost, right? And service name is ORCL, correct? So host name I put localhost, port number 1521 already given in the connection string, and here service name is ORCL. Let's test this connection. So connection is perfectly working fine because everything is correct. In case any issue, it will throw the error here, and we will connect, or we will save it first. Okay, and we will try to connect to the database. So we already saved. Now let's try to connect to the database. See, it is connected, right? So this is how we can download, install, and connect to the database using different tools. So this is the shortest video, but now going forward we will I will trying to record some videos on Oracle user management, table management, and other things also. So stay tuned, and subscribe the channel if not yet subscribed, and share the videos if you like it to the colleagues or friends, or whenever you want to share. Thanks for watching.